Optimizing your product listings is key for brand owners looking to drive success. Today, we'll cover several tools at your disposal to help improve product performance. A-plus content, product videos, and search terms. A-plus content allows you to describe your products in detail, answer common customer questions, and highlight your brand's unique qualities and benefits. To get started with setting up A-plus content, navigate to the Advertising tab in the Seller Central menu and click on A-plus Content Manager. Next, you can either search for an ASIN or product name to initiate the A-plus content workflow, or click Start Creating A-plus Content located in the right-hand corner of the page. On the A-plus Content selection page, you can create two types of A-plus content: Enhanced Product Description and Brand Story. We recommend you create both to maximize your brand's presence on the detail page. The Enhanced Product Description allows you to add details and imagery about product features. You can choose between basic or premium module types and placement opportunities. Either option can be used to proactively address customers' commonly asked questions and drive purchases by helping customers quickly understand your product. The other option, Brand Story, allows you to incorporate your brand's history and values across all product lines. Here, you can add logos, pictures, link to your Amazon store, and answer questions about your brand. To ensure your content is effective, remember to use high-resolution images that highlight your product in use and include text that is large enough to read on mobile devices. Additionally, make sure to keep your A-plus content concise to keep customers engaged. When designing your A-plus content, use the Content Layout modules to choose how your content is displayed. These modules require no web development experience and let you highlight specific features or products, or even compare your offerings. Just click the modules you want and they'll appear on your product detail page. This section includes image and text cards, links to other products and the brand store, and carousel displays. You can use modules to highlight certain features or products. The comparison modules let you compare your products to each other to highlight key feature differences. For example, if you sell a line of vacuum cleaners, you could use the comparison module on the detail page of your most basic model to show customers how it compares to your more premium models. This could include comparing weight, cord length, bin capacity, or floor type. Before moving to the next step, you can click Preview to review examples of how your page will appear to customers on desktop and mobile platforms. Next, select Apply ASINs to add ASINs to your content. You can add any ASIN from an ASIN family to the search box. Before submitting your content, be sure to double-check for grammar errors, punctuation errors, misspellings, string of all caps text, and unnecessary repeated information. Bold and italic text should only be used to highlight headings and keywords. Finally, click Review and Submit. Note that your A-plus content won't be active immediately, as it must be reviewed and approved by Amazon first. A-plus content is usually approved or rejected within 7 business days of submission. If Amazon asks you to make changes to your submission, the review period will start over again. Once approved, customers will be able to see your A-plus content in the product description section of the product detail page. In addition to A-plus content, you can also leverage product videos to accompany your product images. Videos should provide details that photos cannot and proactively answer customer questions. For example, if customers frequently ask about the size or dimensions of your product, a video can provide that extra context to encourage purchases. To add product videos to your product detail pages, navigate to the Catalog tab from the Seller Central menu and click Upload and Manage Videos. Next, click Upload Video. On the following page, click Upload Video and choose the file you'd like to upload. Then add a title for your video in the title field. Next, add any ASINs associated with your video in the Related Products field. Finally, add a thumbnail image for your video and click Submit. Your video will be reviewed for approval. It usually takes less than a day for us to review your video, but can sometimes take up to 7 business days. Avoid including URLs or calls to action in your video that might lead customers away from your product page. Doing so can lead to your video being rejected. Now, let's review how to use search terms to effectively optimize your product listings. For customers to find your products on Amazon, it's important to provide search terms that they might use when searching for what they want to buy. Be sure to use relevant and accurate keywords that avoid repetition, subjective claims, and unnecessary punctuation. To optimize your search terms, navigate to the Brands tab from the Seller Central menu, then click Brand Analytics. In the navigation bar at the top, hover over Search Analytics and click Top Search Terms. Here you will find the Amazon Search Terms Report, which provides brand insights into popular search terms, their rankings, and associated product performance, including click share and conversion data. You can use this report to analyze search term performance, product visibility, and track changes in product rankings over time. You can also search for specific products to learn which terms drive customers to them. If any are relevant to your product, you can add them to your product's listing to help increase product page traffic. You can learn more about this report by watching our video, Brand Analytics, Top Search Terms Report in Seller University. You can find more resources for optimizing your listings on the Manage Inventory Help page in Seller Central.